Pinch the tire with one hand and use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Take down the tires. Remove the brake disc adapter. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the shock absorber. Remove the screws from the front upper swing arm. Remove the damaged front universal joint part. Install the new front universal joint parts. Install the front upper swing arm. Install the corresponding screws. Tighten the screws. Install the shock absorber. Tighten the screws. Install the brake disc adapter. Install the tire. Tighten the screws.